Now, there are a lot of Amazon FBA and Amazon keyword research tools on the market, but not a single tool can come close to Helium 10 right here. Now, that's because Helium 10 is a paid keyword research tool. So today in this video, I will show you Helium 10 keyword research tutorial, how you can find winning keywords for Amazon FBA, or if you're using maybe Amazon KDP or anything else, you can find top keywords right here in Helium 10. Now, before we get started, I just want to say that we do offer a 20% off for the 6 months on Helium 10. This is for everyone that is watching this particular video, or you can get 10% off every month for a lifetime on Helium 10. Now, as you can see, you can use our codes top 20 at checkout or top 10 at checkout if you want to go and if you want to use Helium 10. And yeah, why wouldn't you want to use Helium 10? Because Helium 10 is, again, one of the best keyword research tools that I come across when it comes to Amazon FBA. And I'm saying this in a non-promotional way, even though I'm promoting Helium 10. Now, let's get started with first thing. So what we can do first is we can go to tools. So when it comes to keyword research, we have two different tools. We have Cerebro, which is a reverse product lookup, and then we have Magnet, which is a keyword research tool. Let's just click first on Magnet. Obviously, we'll click on Cerebro as well, just so we can have it in a new tab. But as you can see right here, also before you get started with keyword research, you can go and connect your Amazon store. Since we don't currently have Amazon store, we will not connect the Amazon store right here, but we'll just go and we'll mention it. So let's get started with first Helium 10 Magnet tool. Now, as you can see here, this tool is all about keywords, while on the other hand we have Cerebro, which is basically a product lookup or ASIN. It will basically give you you will need to use ASIN. ASINs are basically these codes right here, as you can see. It's kind of like a product code where you go under the product, just scroll down on the description of the product, you get the ASIN right here, and then you just paste it in Cerebro right here, and you just click get keywords, and you will get all the keywords from this particular ASIN or this particular product code. Now, as you can see, we can run your search here, and this will fetch the data for that particular product. As you can see, if you scroll down, we will see that this is a bath mat. If we go here back, and if we scroll up, we can see that this indeed is a bath mat. So it basically pulls all the information from that particular page. Now, as you can see here, let's just cover first Cerebro. So Cerebro is basically a lookup tool on a particular product. As you can see, you can enter up to 10 products identifiers, which are called ASINs, as I showed you previously, to find their top performing keywords. Now, as you can see, you also have filters here where you can actually go and filter by, again, search volume, by word count, by phrases containing, for example, red dress right here, as you can see, Amazon choice and stuff like that, but we will not focus on that. Now, as you can see right here, we'll be able to see this particular single product search. We'll see the keyword phrase for that particular product. Obviously, we can click here to see it on the Amazon. We see the Cerebro IQ score, which is score based on the ratio of estimated search volume versus number of competing keywords or products. As you can see, a high score means a relatively high number of searches compared to the number of competitors. A low score means the opposite. Now, you can also see the search volume here. Again, if the search volume is a lot, and as you can see right here, if the Cerebro IQ score means high, that means it's a relatively high number of searches compared to the number of competitors, right? A low score will mean opposite. So as you can see, you can go here and check for the Cerebro IQ score as well as the search volume, and this will show you if a product is a good product to rank for. As you can see, for example, this one, it has 3000 Cerebro IQ score and almost 9000 search volume. And as you can see here, it's in downwards trend. Obviously, you can also see the search trend over the past 30 days as well. Now, not only this, you can also export the data here. If you go to the export data, you will be able to export data to CSV or any other file that you can go and import it back into the Excel or anything like that. However, Cerebro is a good tool. However, I really like Magnet because here you can actually go with a keyword and you can actually just type in a keyword that you want to go and that you want to research. So let's go with this keyword, bathroom waterproof mat. This is what I search for here in on Amazon, and as you can see, we can go to Magnet here and we can basically paste that particular keyword here. Now, as you can see, we can click Get Keywords. This will start and run. We will run a new search because we already run this keyword. If you already run this keyword before, you can load from history. However, let's just run new search here and let's fetch the data. As you can see right here, it fetched the data currently. As you can see, once you connect your obviously Amazon store, you will be able to see the ABA total click share. As you can see, these are keyword metrics including click and conversion rates for the top 3 ACNs. Then you have ABA total conversion share, which is you can gain valuable insights into the top 3 click products for each keyword. And then keyword sales, you will see the estimated number of sales generated by each keyword by upgrading to Diamond. We have Platinum currently, but if you want, you can upgrade to Diamond and you will see all of the sales as well. So based on the sales, based on the Magnet IQ score, because as you can see, IQ score is similar to the Cerebro IQ score based on the ratio of estimated search volume versus number of competing products. Again, a high score means a relatively high number of searches compared to the number of competitors. So if the score is high, if the search volume is high, if the keyword sales are high, that means this particular keyword, for example, if it's this one, is ranking pretty good and you can go for it when it comes to your Amazon FBA business. Now, this is only one way of how you can see which keywords are good, which keywords are not good. Obviously, you can also go and you can go to the Magnet IQ score. You can sort this by the IQ score, or you can just click here to sort this by the highest IQ score, as you can see right here. Or you can, you can also go and this search volume, by the way, not the IQ score, but this is the IQ score. And as you can see here, you can see that the bathroom rugs, again, it has a lot of competition, right? It has a lot of competition. It has a lot of search volume, so we need to go and search for something more long tail. So maybe if we go to Amazon, we can again play around with this keyword. As you can see, under sink mats for bathroom waterproof. For example, maybe this keyword could be a better keyword for this particular search term. We can copy this keyword, we can go to the Cerebro and we can paste this keyword right here and get keywords for this particular keyword. Now, as you can see, it will again fetch the data right here. Obviously, it will need to load up. And once this is completely done, you will see what I mean by the long tail keywords. So long tail keywords are usually keywords that have more words in a keyword and are longer tail keywords, obviously. So this is what we are trying to do if we want to rank for a particular keyword on Amazon. So as you can see right now that we have this long tail keyword, we can go here and we can see the, again, Magnet IQ score. We can see the search volume as well. We can obviously go here and, make sure that this is on the lower side right here, as you can see. And then we can see the search volume as well. So this is in a nutshell how you can go and find winning keywords on Amazon FBA. Not just on Amazon FBA, but also if you're selling anything else on Amazon, you will be able to do it like that. Not just that, but you also will be able to enter up to 200 keywords and analyze the keywords right here. For example, if you go and if you paste the keyword here, and if I just go enter, I can analyze this particular keyword, which is great. As you can see, search volume, I can see the search volume, I can see the word frequency, I can see the average search volume is 580, I can see the total search volume is around the same, and I can also see the average competing products, which is right here. So based on that, you will just see that one particular keyword and one, you will basically have one keyword to analyze. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Obviously, you have a lot more when it comes to the keyword research and how you can find winning keywords. This tutorial is just to finding keywords, but you can also go and do so much more in Helium 10. As you can see, these are just some of the products for Helium 10. Again, if you want to claim the coupons, if you want to sign up for Helium 10, you can do this with the links down below or with our codes at the checkout, which is the first code, top 20 at checkout, or top 10 at checkout for 10% every month, or 20% off for 6 months. So again, if you have any questions, guys and girls, if you're watching this video, definitely comment down below and we'll create another video on Helium 10. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.